Do you feel that sometimes you just need to get out of your own way to achieve success in the markets? I'm sure a lot of people feel exactly as I did when I got started. You see, I could sense that there were some things in between me and achieving the greatness in the markets that I really wanted for myself. In fact, there are 5 hurdles between you, where you are right now, and you achieving success in the markets. The first one is that many people quit too soon. You see, personally, I was no one-minute wonder. It took me 3 years to break even in the markets, and it took me 5 years before I could actually leave my job. People quit too soon though, don't you think? They quit just when they get a little bit of gravel in their shoe, let alone having to jump over a wall. And in fact, before you achieve any goal in life, there's a fog that sets in, and that fog is testing your resilience. It's testing your energy. It's testing whether you really want your goal. So if you're in that fog now, just realise that success might be closer than you think. Another hurdle is the people that people listen to. Do you know, so many members of my own family were negative when I first started trading. I know it's hard to believe, isn't it, that people who love us would think that we need protection from ourselves like that. They thought I was going to actually blow the money up against the wall, and I don't know what they thought really, but they certainly weren't positive. What I used was a bubble technique. I imagined that I was surrounded by a big bubble. Their words bounced off that bubble and they couldn't affect me. And you know what? I learned to shut up. I stopped talking to them about my hopes and my dreams and the markets. In fact, I surrounded myself with positive people, people who believed in me, people who encouraged me, people who only wanted the best for me. So that's the second hurdle. The other hurdle is procrastination. You see, a lot of people keep on putting off learning about the markets until it's far too late for them. They've run out of energy, and in fact, the goals that they wanted to achieve just seem so far away. So they manage to quit completely then. You see, procrastination is one step away from quitting. Another reason why perhaps you're not achieving the success you deserve is that perhaps you don't feel truly worthy. You don't feel worthy of success. And it's a travesty. And in fact, with a survey of our top traders that I ran last year, that was one of the biggest impediments. People didn't feel that they actually, in their gut, felt like a trader and that they were worthy of success. Now, if that explains your situation, you need to work as hard on yourself as you do on your own trading plan. You see, you're never ever going to be able to earn more money than your own self-esteem will allow. You'll actually, if you do overstep that and you actually make more than your self-esteem will allow, you'll trade right back down to the level that you're comfortable at. The fifth hurdle standing in your way is perhaps you've got a trading plan that just doesn't work, it's not complete, or frankly, you haven't thought about it enough. Maybe it's not written down on paper. You see, trading is a verb. It's a doing word. It means you actually have to commit. You have to get action happening, and first place it needs to happen is on paper. You need to write down your trading plan. You need to look at your entry, your exit, and your position sizing. And if that's not on paper, if that's not written down, I'm afraid you're not a trader. You do not have a trading plan. Trading plans do cover other things too, but that's the basis of success. If you're there right now, just realise you have people who want the very best for you. We want to see you succeed, the way we've helped hundreds of other traders in your situation succeed before you. You see, we have traders living all around the world. The sun never sets on our trading game. Business, our mentor program has had people from every single country that I've personally visited, and frankly, it's been wonderful to watch. It's been wonderful to see how their lives have changed, and you can do that too. So keep on reading this month. You know what? There are gems in this newsletter that I have never written about before. There are articles here that I know can help push you towards the next level. You just have to be willing to get a little bit uncomfortable to begin with. Realise that we are here for you though, and we'll never let things get too far away. So keep reading now. I know you're going to love this month's issue.